how to remove password from Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will tell you how you guys can quickly remove the password of your Shopify store. So firstly, open up Shopify, and then after that, you guys are going to see this particular dashboard. Now from over here on the left side, click on online store, and then that's going to take you guys over here. Now click on preferences, and then after that, you guys are going to see all of the preferences settings of your store. Scroll down till the very end, and then now from over here, simply uncheck this particular box which says password protected, and then after that I simply click on save, and then your store is not gonna have any password whatsoever, and you will have successfully removed the password from your Shopify store. You guys can also do the very same thing again, and you will be able to just simply add a password to your Shopify store by simply checking this particular box. So guys, that is how this method works. If this video helped you guys out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, take care, till next time, goodbye.